I installed the Westin Pro-Series bumper on my Trail Boss a while back, and now it is complete with the Westin B-Force LED light bar. The bumper came with the mounting hardware to get this 20-inch light bar installed. I did have to pull the bumper off to get it lined up, so I do suggest installing this before putting the bumper on. The wiring harness for this light bar is sold separately. It comes with a switch you can run inside the truck, but I swapped out the switch for an additional relay that allows the light bar to come on automatically with my high beams. The relay is triggered from a fuse tap from high beam right. You can run power to the light bar directly to your battery, but I ran power for the light bar to my NovSight switch panel and attached it to one of the 30-amp fuses. This will allow me not to have it come on with my high beams if I choose to do so. Now, if you already have a switch panel and you don't want the light bar to come on with high beams, you won't really need to get the wiring harness. The light bar comes with a pigtail to connect power. The beam pattern on this light bar is a combo beam, which gives you a spot and floodlight pattern built into one light. The power output on the light is 120 watts and 10,800 lumens. This is how it looks with just the high beams on, and then this is how it looks with the light bar on with high beams. I also have the NovSight pod lights, and here's how it looks with everything turned on. Once you've attached the light bar to come on with your high beams, it's hard to go back. I love how everything turned out on this bumper. Having the winch on the front and all the lights installed really makes it stand out. I have always been a fan of a bull bar on the front, but switching to this off-road bumper just gave the truck a much more aggressive look. If you want to see the installation of this Westin bumper or any of the mods I've installed on it, I'll leave links to those videos in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see y'all.